Hi, my name is Alyssa Godfrey, and I'm completing the cardiovascular trace video assignment. So just some general points. This diagram is from the book that we're using for the class. The right side of the heart, I've labeled this the right side. This blood circulates to the lungs, and it's blue, which is representing deoxygenated blood. And then this side over here, the left side, that blood from the heart leaves and goes to the rest of the body, and that's red, representing oxygenated blood. So I'm going to begin tracing blood flow through the cardiovascular system from the superior and inferior vena cava. So that's here and here. And the superior and inferior vena cava both enter into the right atrium. And then the blood passes from the right atrium through the tricuspid valve, which is right here, into the right ventricle. Then from the right ventricle, it passes through the pulmonary valve, which is right here, and into the left and right pulmonary arteries. So the blood is going away from the heart towards arteries. The left pulmonary artery is going into the left lung, and the right pulmonary artery is going into the right lung. Once in the lungs, the deoxygenated blood that's in the pulmonary arteries moves from the large arteries into arterioles, which are smaller. The arterioles, these smaller branches, then transport the blood from arteries to capillaries, where carbon dioxide and oxygen are exchanged in those capillaries. The carbon dioxide leaves the blood, and then oxygen is picked up. At this point, the oxygenated blood moves from these capillaries into very small veins called venules, and then into the left and right pulmonary veins. The pulmonary veins bring blood back to the heart, and they enter into the left atrium, which is right here. From the left atrium, blood passes through the bicuspid or mitral valve into the left ventricle. From the left ventricle, the blood passes through the aortic valve, which is up there, and then goes from the aorta into the upper and lower body, and oxygenates our body. And that's all.